Hi there, my name is Rob and I'm gonna teach you hip-hop in a very short period of time, from zero to everything. There's no such thing as zero to everything. Shut up and try it! This will be a quick reference, a cheat sheet to hip-hop. So, let's go! Enjoy the music, bounce. Dancing is fun. Before you engage yourself in hip-hop dancing, you must like hip-hop music. Because that's where your inner groove will come from. This is it. I'm grooving. Then you do some killer moves, then you groove again. If you forget what to do next, it feels like you're still dancing. You're happy while dancing. That's when you're happy. Don't stop grooving. Listen to the music and understand it. On top of the I feel good style of dance, we need to have some sort of structure. We need to understand music. Count till 8. That's it. Music started to loop over and over again. And every 4th, 8th count, there's a significant change. At the beginning, explicitly count. Afterwards, you won't even think about it. A good exercise is to groove on the counts. Synchronize it. That's when you're happy. Breaking down the music. More music theory. Instruments are coming and going. Observe this, pick an instrument. Like you dance on the drum and the next time you start it over, you dance on the snare. The same sequence of music. At the more advanced level, use different body parts to visualize different instruments. It's a big advantage if you know the music up front, but if you don't, it's a matter of how fast you can break it down. Pocket routines and choreographies, combine them, freestyle. Enough theory. How do I dance? YouTube.com. How to hip hop dance.
Here, and change weight, left drag it in, top pad left, lean out.
Pocket routines are moves that you repeated 1,000 times and you know them by heart. Tired, you can do it. You are dizzy, you can do it. Coma, you can do it. You can still do it because you practiced it so much. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. Simple. Try to dance a whole song with a routine, a single routine. Try to do varieties of the move. Come up with your own type of move. You will do something like, yeah, one hand. Extend your inventory. Learn as many pocket routines as possible. On top of this, your style will come. I dare you to dance with 2 pocket routines, then 3 pocket routines, and so on. Voila! You're dancing. YouTube, there are plenty of tutorials, different styles, instructors, for free, flexible, go for it. Up there, learn other styles and hear what suits the music. When we see hip hop, a whole pile of everything. We see grump, tutting, breakdance. When do we use it? Let me introduce you to breakdance. 4 big parts. First, the top rock, the footwork. You go down 6-step power moves. And then the freeze. Train. You need to have a strong body to do this. You need to train for it. Tutting. You can also practice while sitting. You start with 90 degrees. Keep your body in a coordinated angle and draw shapes. Always keep your hands straight. Not like this. Build imaginary isolation points. Experiment. Locking. This is the funky style. You groove upwards. So 1, 2, 3 instead of 1, 2, 3. Do it fast, like bam, bam, but you pose. Stop for a picture. Popping. Doesn't really matter what you do if you pop it well. Flex the muscles like wander around with your body, pop on the beat. There are multiple levels of popping. You can pop with your hands, your chest, your head. You can pop with your legs as well. The advanced level, 3 pops in a second and it looks like the light is vibrating. Do it without the bending. So Imagine that it's cold around. Catch it, and then try it without actually moving anything. Like Same with your legs. You just stomp like this. Do it subtly. With the head, try to keep your hands at your head. Push it. Waving. You keep it as minimal as possible. Party friends will show, yeah, I can wave. No! It's detailed, visible while it's traveling. Bam, 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 bam. Lift up sequentially while they also go down. Same applies to everywhere. You can wave almost everything. Your legs, hands and legs. Full body down and up. Your hands down, up, the other way around. This is very good when the music gets lyrical. Crump is fighting in a dance style like what did you say? Let the anger release. Get a few moves and learn it. You must know by now what music goes with what style. Salsa move with a breakdance style executed at the right speed. Awesome! 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It works, but don't overdo it. At the beginning, try to dance to the music to which the style belongs to. Then in time, you can mix it. Otherwise, it will be a chaos. At the beginning, most of the people concentrate on the feet and the hands are just there. Because why not? Control it. Your hands should only move if you want them to move, and not without a reason. You need to have full control over your body. A good exercise, if you experiment, how can you possibly move? That's a new style. These are positions that you would be labeled as a crazy person if you do it in a public space. But when you dance, these can actually be crazy moves. But first, you need to get used to the position. Get comfortable with it. Clean them. Stay in front of a mirror. Do it! Find out how can you possibly move. Use the space that you have. Most of the times, you have enough space to move around. Except if you're at a disco. You might kick somebody's drink. Embrace the space. Move around. To the left, to the right, forwards, down, take a nap, get up again, go backwards, rotate around because you have space. You're not in a disco. Be aware of the surrounding. Use them to consistently travel. Rotation. Try to dance a whole song while you're going around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Whoa. It will be on the beat while the music is going. Kill the beat. Sometimes you rotate faster, slower. Use the rotation as your routine to dance on the song. Keep your vertical balancing point and keep your transitions clean. So whenever you step anywhere, you should be able to come back at the same spot. Whenever you're moving, it should be a determined decision that you want to change your position. I'm moving now in one spot. Exercise this. Was it a mistake of your move that made you transition into another place, or was it intentional? Practice to do positions and come back to the same place as you started. Surprise! Elements. Variety is the spice of life. Keeping your dance consistent is important. But if you consistently change, then it's even more beautiful. What do I change? Speed! There are parts of the music which are slower than others. Usually it will happen after the 4th, 8th count. Try to reflect this with the overall speed of your moves. Stopping equals speed 0. Don't forget to stop from time to time. Not for long. Change the dominant beat you're dancing on. There are different beats coming and going. You can choose the dominant one. What you hear the most from a music. Consistently change your body part which you use to kill the beat. With your legs, the same with your hand after a set of 8 or 4th 8 or however the music dictates. Advanced body controlling practices. I assume that you already know some moves. Let's pick a dominant body part. For example, the head. Shoulders, chest, hips, legs, hands. To be the dominant part which will kill the main beat. Shoulders. so comfortable with my shoulders, I can concentrate secondary on other body parts. Playing with the move order. How do you make from one single move so many different moves? Let's take a simple example, the Indian step. So the default is to go to the left, right, right. Then you could apply the single, double, double rule. Single, double, double. Do it in reverse order. Like you do double, double, single, single. Almost every move has a 1 and 2 variation. 1 and 2. Sometimes the beat is faster, 1 and 2. Some of the moves are 1 and 2 and moves. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. You'll hear how fast the beat goes, where to move a bit faster or move a bit slower. What if I tell you we can multiply everything we've just done 7 times? Level number 0, level number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A single move, like you won't do a move twice. You took it to the next level. Bam! Bam! Kill the beat. Construct a whole world around you that can be anything. That you are in the kitchen, washing the plates. That you are in the supermarket, getting down the stuff in your basket. Coming home, closing the door, sitting down to the dinner. And this is when it comes to the role playing. A little bit of acting. Listen to the lyrics, find the mood of the song, act on it. What does it say? Girlfriend left me, killing, chilling, get rich, money, how beautiful, happy they are. Tell a story, bam, bam, bam. Hit you, bam! My head hurts. Package it into a rhythm, apply everything you know so far, and on top of that, bring drama. It will become more colorful, because it will have feelings. I got a feeling. Be self-confident, transmit a positive energy. How you dance, as much energy you put into it, will influence other people. You'll trigger some feelings. Dancing is powerful. Use it and make a change. Last thing, always be happy. Thank you for watching. This is my first of a kind video. If you have any feedback, if you like it, don't like it, to discuss something, like. Peace.